Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to edit YouTube thumbnails using the Canva app. You know those facial expressive pictures you first see before you actually click? That, first of all, is a thumbnail. And then the Canva app is what you use to design these things if you want to have a quality thumbnail for your YouTube videos or whatever kind of videos you like. Open the Canva app, search for YouTube thumbnail, then you click. Canva gives you the frame that you are working with. Today I am working with YouTube, so I'm working with the YouTube frame. You could go ahead and search to get some inspo on what you want to create. If not, you work with a blank sheet and begin your designs. First, I went ahead by replacing these pictures from my recent images. So you don't, as much as you're getting an inspo from other people's designs, it's much more beautiful if you also allow your creative mind to come to reality. That is you personalizing these designs by putting your recent images there. So that is what I'm just doing right now. Below your screen you have replace. That is what you click on to actually replace those pictures with your own personal images. Remember, in the world of art, you can play with different colors and images, but you should also note that the more simple your designs looks, the more pretty they actually will be. So yes, you have the freedom of playing around, duplicating so many images as much as you want. That is you playing with your canvas. You should also remember to keep it simple. So myself, you see me digressing and moving from one picture to the other, because yes, I put the first one and I'm like, it's not giving. And so I tried to do another, and that is me just trying to keep things simple but unique and bringing out my creative mind to reality. Initially, first of all, I think the first thing is that you should have something in mind what you want your design should actually look like. But if you don't have anything like that in mind, Canva is beautiful and wonderful enough to give you ideas on what you want to do. So make use of that freedom that's been given to you by Canva to make your designs. Because there are existing designs on your canvas already, if you look closely, you see that the texts are being covered gradually by the pictures, the images that I am putting. But ignore, we are coming to that. Just make sure that every picture, image you're putting are in line, in space. They are just perfect as you would want them to be, because everything is step by step. So you want to make sure that yes, your pictures are okay. Now the next thing you have to look out for is maybe your fonts, the write-ups, and whatever elements it is you want on your design. Okay, so about my image covering up the text, that daily vlog, all I have to do is tap on that font on the text and scroll all the way down. You would see position. Click on it. I want it to be in front, so you just tap on to front, and that will make your font to just be in the front. Ensure that everything is placed perfect. So on to the next. I thinking to myself, I have 2 coffee cups already, so I want to replace that coffee cup. I want to replace this coffee cup with another picture, another image of mine. So I just tap on it, tap on replace, and Instead of me being on my Pinterest album, I go to my images and I find the picture I want to use and replace it with that. Because Canva is beautiful, I will keep talking about Canva. I have the option of clicking on the Magic Studio just below. After replace, crop, adjust, Magic Studio, I tap on it and I have the option of removing my background instead of going to a whole new platform to do that. You see it there and voila, it's removed. I crop it to however I want and also add that white outline you would see. Let me share with you a secret that I use that works for me. So sometimes when you are done creating or you think you're done, this whole pictures and everything is just on your face. I like to stay away, like just go out from Canva and do some of that thing. If possible, sleep if it's at night, or do some of that thing, just stay away from it. And then after some hours, come back to it. You begin to maybe appreciate what you've done, or even see that, oh, these pictures and this one is all over there. You get to know what to do about it and know what to take away and what to actually add to it. Now to save, at the top most right of my screen, you'd see the download effects there. You just tap and you're able to download your thumbnail and then you're good to go. You're advised to save on PNG. That is the most preferable way to save your image if you want it to have a high quality. So yeah, this is the final result from the design. I hope this was helpful enough for you to make your own designs and thumbnail. Ensure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. If you have a question, beautiful, you can also drop that in the comment section and I will be willing to clear your questions. Without much ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.